Good morning student, welcome here. Unit number 2 of second semester, and that is about environmental pollution. In that we have started water pollution, and first paragraph we have discussed. So in first paragraph we have discussed that how this water pollution is occurred, means which are the factors that force water to be polluted. So now effect of the water pollution and all things that will be discussed in this video. Please keep textbook with you. Here we are on page number 8, second paragraph of water pollution. In picture we can see that how this water is polluted. See in first picture that dirty water is drained into river. Second picture, plastic bags and all are there in water. And in third picture too, fisheries and all the things. That is the cause of water pollution. The dirty water released by industry and factories into river, stream and ponds destroy aquatic life. Aquatic life means the life of fish and life of animals who live in the water. So this dirty water can also affect the life of fish and all, means aquatic life is also affected. Many times we see news about mass death of fish because of excessive pollution in water. See in this picture number 3 in 2.2, there is the picture of in that many fishes have been died. So many fishes have been died because of this dirty water. So we can say mass death of the fishes. The sea water gets polluted due to oil drilling and oil spills, and that news we also got in before some years that one ship just damaged in the sea, and the oil of that ship is drilled into the water. So this way water gets polluted. So we can say that oil drilling and oil spills. Water pollution causes various diseases like cholera, jaundice, vomiting, loose motion, etc. That is why nowadays people have to carry their own water bottle filled with fresh and filtered water with them while traveling to office or to school. And water pollution, because of this water pollution we have to face many diseases like cholera, loose motion and jaundice and all. And that's why you all are requested, or people take their own water bottle of drinking water in their offices and in their school too. Many rivers have turned into gutters. So we also have this example, means our river of this our town, that is not at all look like a river. It looks like a dirty water, like gutter. Means the condition of rivers is not good. People are throwing all the wastage into the river, and this way they are damaging the river water as well as they are polluting the river water. This polluted river water is used for agriculture, and consequently pollutants enter into good food grains and vegetables and fodder. Now what happened? This river is polluted by us. Now this polluted water of river is used in farming, and this way these food crops are ultimately polluted. or damaged, and that we eat and we get ill. So this way this water pollution affected human body severely. So this way we can say that rivers are dirty water used in farming. It affects food crops. Third paragraph. People from every class of the society, be it a politician, farmer, industrialist, education, individuals, artists or workers, have a very casual attitude towards the environmental pollution. The water from industry should be purified before it is drained into stream or water. This is the solution of this water pollution, that this water should be purified before it is drained into stream or river. Government should implement the pollution control policies properly to control the industry. Pollution control policy. For industry. We should use water in judicious way. In judicious way means wisely. And strict rules should be implemented for industry, because industry plays vital role to pollute water. So these are the water pollution keywords. Please you note down this, student. Second one is air pollution. Second, air pollution. Just like water, air pollution has become a major concern of the world. So this air pollution is also the matter of concern. Industries have developed in every city and in most of the villages. The smoke and gases emitted by the industries mix with air and cause air pollution. This is the main cause of air pollution. Nowadays we can see that every village and city have industries, and the smoke and dirty air which is emerged from this industry is affected air, and this way air pollution is happen. So we can say development of industries. Emitted smoke and gases air gets polluted. Today the use of mineral oils has increased tremendously. The vehicle running on fossil fuels like petrol and diesel emit smoke and harmful gases like hydrocarbon, nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, which merge with the air, and their proportion in air has increased. So this vehicle can also be play important part or equal part in air pollution. We can say the fossil fuels like petrol and diesel and the smoke and gas emitted from these vehicles and these gases like hydrocarbon, nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, which merge with the air, and this way air is polluted. So we can write that vehicles emits harmful gases hydrocarbons, nitrogen oxide, etc. gases are mixed in air. The proportion of CO2 has increased due to the cutting of trees, which has led to the intense problem of global warming. Now this CO2 proportion has been increased, and why this has been increased? Because people are cutting trees. Because of that, there is an imbalance between global warming and imbalance in atmosphere, and that will lead to problem of global warming. So we can say proportion of CO2 because of cutting trees problem of global warming. Deforestation is another reason behind the increase in air pollution. Deforestation means removal of forest. People remove forest as well as trees because of urbanization. Urbanization means cities are developing and growing more and more, and because of that people are cutting forest, removing forest, and in place of that forest they are building industries as well as their abode or their residence. So this is known as deforestation. Dust particles float in the air due to depletion of forest cover and trees, and because of this dust particles are there, and these dust particles just pollutes air. So deforestation, that is the another reason. And dust particle. So this is the first paragraph of air pollution. Now we are moving to paragraph number 2, that is on page number 9. Air pollution causes various diseases such as asthma, breathing problem and lung infection. Various disease. Disease like asthma, breathing problems, lung infection, etc. Especially related to lung and especially related to breathe. Okay, so you just note down this. After that we will go for this to another paragraph. Please note down. Another points. Dust particles floating in the air lead to disease like cold, cough and allergy. There have been instances when animals died due to suffocation caused by excess of pollution. The temperature of the atmosphere has increased due to pollution. At times these poisonous gases mix with raindrops and cause acid rain which is harmful for animals as well as vegetation. Okay, see. We can say these are the effect of air pollution. So the dust particle which are floating in the air, this will lead to disease like cold, cough and allergy. There have been instances when animals died due to suffocation caused by excess of pollution. The temperature of the atmosphere has increased due to pollution, and this time the poisonous gases mix with raindrops, and this leads to acid rain. And which is very harmful for animals and vegetation. So these poisonous gases leads to or create acid rain when it mix with raindrops, and this is harmful for vegetation as well as animals. To prevent air pollution, this is the solution of. It is necessary to make certain rules for the industry and implement them strictly. So rules should be built or should be formed to prevent the air pollution, and it should be mandatory for all the industry to follow or to implement that rules. Equipments that can filter smoke and harmful gas should be developed and installed. Those implement which are helpful to filter gases and smoke, that should be implemented. Industries that do not follow the norms should be punished strictly by a heavy fine and or should be shut down. So those industries who do not follow the rules of government, so that should be banned or that should be fined. Rules for industry should be formed. You just note down this. After that, we will complete this paragraph. Please note down. Other thing what we should do to stop this air pollution, let's discuss this. Industry that do not follow the norms should be fined or should be shut down. The industry which do not follow the norms and rules of government to stop air pollution, those industries should be fined or shut down. Environment awareness campaign should be organized. And through this, people should be aware about the effect of air pollution, and people should be informed the solution of air pollution. One should use petrol and diesel in a judicious manner. Use of pollution-free fuel like CNG and LPG will help to great extent. Strict implementation of PUC in vehicles should be implemented. Less use of petrol and diesel and use of CNG and LPG. And last thing is PUC should be implemented. So these are the solution of preventing air pollution and saving our lives. Now this is for today's video. Today's video we will learn land pollution in next and noise pollution in next video. Now it's time to give you homework. So you have to do write about air pollution, its effects and solutions to prevent it. This is in 4 marks. Okay, you have to write about air pollution, its effect and solutions to prevent it. All the information is given in textbook which we have discussed today. These 3 or 4 paragraphs you need to write. Remember student, you have to write in point wise. No need to write in paragraph. Okay, we'll meet again in next video, and in next video remaining 2 pollution will be discussed. Please take care yourself. Thank you.